It's awfully funny when you fall in love with yourself, meaning when you realize how much you're worth, when you realize that you love yourself way too much to put up with the disrespect and the hurt and the pain and over and over again. It's not like it only happened once, it happens over and over again. So, and I finally realized how much I love myself and how much that not even myself, my fucking child, and how much that I want her to know that how much she's worth when she grow up and when she get older and become a teenager. I want her to know that you only deal with people, not even men, just people, men and women, when they respect you, when they talk level to you, not down about you. Don't talk below you. They talk on your level. Like you have to love yourself first, and you'll stop putting up with the disrespect.